supposed to be here waiting for my photographer. He's always late. I don't know why, but I was able to get in here, and I figured I'd do some video before he gets in here. Supposed to be doing a photo shoot with him, but I'm gonna just chill out in the meantime till he gets here. What's good, family? So, I wanted to let you guys know that I finally cut off my locks. It was a long journey, had locks for about 15 years. Now I finally made a chop. So just wanted to tell my friends and family the best way to do it is with video and photo, right? Because that's what I do. So surprise! I hope y'all like it. I don't care if you don't. Just saying what up, let you guys know what I did. You will be seeing more. Here you go. Yo, I'm so sorry. I'm late. I know. Bad late. Like, my bad. Where you been? I apologize. You talk too much. First of all, I want to know why. I apologize. Thanks for coming. No questions for you. Why you so late? I wanted to do a shoot. I need to ask you to, not hear you because you talk too much. You just going off with it. But anyway, okay. I'm late because I had to stop by a double spot and get me some double. Okay, I understand that. I'm big belly, I'm hungry. So I decided to surprise some personal people I know that I know I could get a hold of them locally. So I surprised them by just approaching them, and they didn't know I cut my hair. So you'll see their reactions also. Some of them is crazy, but it's still dope. I appreciate the love from everybody. But I'm gonna see y'all later. Exactly.
Oh my God!
Oh shit!
Oh,
Oh shit!
Like a naked boy.
Oh gosh, you cut your hair, right? Oh snap! You nice. Oh my God! Hi. How are you doing?
Good.
You look so cute. What happened? Are you taking?
I'm recording you.
Oh, you recording me?
Your reaction.
Okay. Huh?
Your reaction.
Oh wow! You look cute. Why you look so cute? Where you going? You have me on camera?
Yeah.
Oh shoot!
You're not supposed to act crazy though.
Okay.
You're supposed to give me a natural reaction to me cutting my hair off.
Yes, that's why I'm saying you look cute.
what? Daddy, you cut your hair.
Fuck.
He's trying to deal with his feelings.
That's okay.
Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God, I don't know why I'm crying right now.
You're crying.
Oh my God. You look really good.
Thank you.
I didn't expect this. Why didn't you tell me? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh wow. So you get invited to exclusive events and stuff, restaurants?
Some shit paying you.